Okay, this is IELTS speaking part 1 and I'm going to ask you a number of different questions and you have to answer. Try to answer in 5 to 6 sentences. Elaborate your answer and conclude your answer. Let's make a start with you. Do you like ice cream?
Actually, I have not like ice cream because it's not my favorite. But when we go with my children for outing, then I little bit eat ice cream.
Okay, when we go outside with my family, like you say, when I go, so try to answer in personal capacity and focus grammar as well, right? My question was in the present tense, so your answer should also be in the present tense. Now, let's go on. Why do children like to eat ice cream?
In these days, mostly children like ice cream because they have different flavors and they like ice cream.
Okay, this should be reason. Like, why do children like ice cream? Children love to eat ice cream for 2 reasons. First of all, ice cream is sweet, and children like sweet things quite a lot. Secondly, ice cream is cold. So I think these 2 qualities of ice cream fascinate children a lot. That's why they love to eat ice cream. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Something like that. Now, what's your favorite flavor of ice cream?
My favorite flavor ice cream is coconut because it's not too much sweet and I love coconut flavor.
Okay, you don't like tomato flavor? No? Okay,
No,
tomato
not tomato flavor,
or
no.
onion flavor of ice cream is very yummy. Okay, that's good. So try to expand your answer and speak more. Now it's your turn.
Yes.
Let's make a start. Okay, what's your favorite food?
My favorite
Food,
food.
not mood. Food. Yeah. What's your favorite food?
Yes, my favorite food is mutton Italian.
Okay.
Because it's my special dish, and my kids and my husband
Like it very much?
Like it very much, and I preferably I make home food because.
Okay, I always prefer homemade food.
Yes, I preferably make.
Not preferably.
Yes.
I prefer homemade food.
I prefer homemade food.
Okay, that's good. Now let's go on. Do you prefer to eat at home or in the restaurant?
No, I prefer eat at home.
To eat at home.
To eat
I
at
prefer
home.
to eat at home.
I prefer to eat at home because it's healthy for us, and especially you make with your hands, and especially you know very well how to cook it, and it's hygienic, and it's for good
Okay,
your health.
that's good. All right. Do you prefer to have your meals alone or with your family?
No, I prefer with my family because my whole world, my family, and I enjoy with a lot, and
I enjoy with them a lot.
With them a lot, and my husband especially give me present, and I feel very happy when I
When I
cook
receive
special.
appreciation
Yes.
on my cooking and all
Yes.
that. Okay, that's good. So it's all fine. Practice all these topics, then you'll
Yes,
be
sir.
fine. And you've got to brush up your basic English grammar and practice all these topics as well. Thank you so
Yes.
much.
Thank you.